Be careful not to tip it. Be very, very careful. Be careful. Oh. No. I don't think you can hold it. Ah!
No, you can't hold it. Welcome to Love You Toys Review. Hi guys, welcome to Love You Toys Review. Welcome to Toy Review.
So for today's episode, we will be playing Don't Rock the Boat.
Don't rock the boat, baby.
It was sent to us by Outset Media. So let's start. Let's open the box. Well, it says you can play two players up to 4 players, and it's good for ages 5 and up. But Rosen is almost 4, so I think you can play with mommy's assistant. So I'm gonna help him with that one. So let's open the box. You guys excited?
Yeah, but I'm never gonna put in it.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Okay, well, we'll see. Maybe Rosen will put it in there.
Oh,
Okay, so I think we need to assemble this thing. There's lots of pieces. And there's one more piece in here.
Waterfall! I like the
It's
waterfall.
like a waterfall. Oh no, it's not the piece. It's well, it's a piece. It's the penguin.
Yeah. There's other thing we have.
Oh, look at that penguin in there.
Look at the other thing we have.
Oh yeah, they said
A
go.
boat!
Here's the penguin. Say hi, penguin.
Hi, penguin.
Show it to Daddy.
Where are the penguins?
They're inside the boat, most likely. See? Ooh, there it is. Okay, let's see. What is this? It looks like a wave.
I want scissors for Penny.
So, oh. So it's like that. Oh, where's the other one? This is in French. I don't speak French, so I need this. So I think what we need to do is we take out the penguins. Okay, just wait, Phoebe. Wait, and then there's a thing in the middle of the boat where you put this wave thing. And you kind of balance it. So our goal is to put the penguins anywhere on the boat, but be careful not to tip the boat. Just wait, okay? So the player who sets up playing piece aboard the ship before the player who rocks the boat is the winner. Celebrate in your best pirate voice and play again. So let's see, how many penguins do we have? Or how many pieces? Let's count it, okay?
1, 2,
Wait.
3.
Let's count here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, 20, 21.
Okay.
I
Oh,
want
it
to
goes
count the penguin.
Here we
I'm a penguin.
Okay.
You a penguin. I'm a penguin.
Okay, who goes first?
Me.
Okay. Well, we'll do the smallest. So you are the smallest, and Ate is the smaller, and I'm the big one. Okay, you choose a piece, Rosen, and you put it anywhere on the boat. Be careful not to tip it. Be very, very careful. Be careful. Oh. I don't think you can hold it. Ah!
No, you can't hold
that's
it. No, let it go. No, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Okay. Do you want Ate to go first? Oh, you go first, Ate. Okay. Is it my turn? And then your turn, okay? Wait. I think I'm gonna go with the baby one. Oh, okay, your turn, Rosin. I don't think that would fit. That's not a good idea, Rosin. We'll get a different one.
Maybe this one or this one.
Come on, Rosin. Are you going to put anything on the boat? Maybe just put something like this.
A baby one?
Yeah, a baby one. Oh, it's tipping. Let's do it again. Oh, let's take everything out.
Can I go first?
Okay, you go first.
No, it's me.
Oh, let Ate do it first. Okay, she did the baby one. Okay, my turn.
Diego.
You can even put it here.
Yeah, there.
Oh, here.
You want to put it there, Rosin, on the floor?
Good
Okay,
job.
Good job, Rosin. Your turn, Ate.
Oh,
Okay, my turn.
I place it right
Okay,
here.
Rosin, it's your turn. Oh, be careful. That looks heavy. Oh.
Yeah, I think it's good. You can put it there,
You want to
Rosin.
put it there?
Good job, Rosin.
Your turn, Ate. Good job. These pirates are really heavy. Whoa.
Parachute. Boom.
Oh, your turn, Rosin.
Your turn. I'm thinking it doesn't fall.
You ready?
Yeah, just put it in the center, Rosin, there.
Santa.
Yeah, here.
You wanna do it again?
Oh, that's okay. That's good.
That's so much fun. Careful. Just put it on the floor.
Can I go next?
Yeah. Good job. My turn. No, Rosin's turn. Okay.
Parachute. Boom.
Oh. Okay, my turn. My turn yet.
I place it right here. I'm
There.
gonna put this one.
Okay, your turn, Rosin. Careful. Oh.
You always make the boat tip, Rosin.
Let's do it again. You're going first. You want me to go first?
Okay,
Yeah, my
I'll go
turn.
first.
My turn.
Okay.
Okay, my turn to go. I am going there. Your turn, Rosin. Good job. Your turn, Ate.
Parachute. Boom.
Okay, my turn. I'm gonna put this in there.
Oh no, the pilot.
Your turn, Rosin. Rosin, chase. Treasure chase. Your turn.
When?
Well, I don't know.
Whatever you want.
Careful. Good job.
My turn.
Mhm.
Batman.
That's still good.
Parachute. Boom. Parachute. I'm thinking you don't.
Okay, there. Rosin, it's your turn.
Parachute. Boom.
That's not a parachute. That's a
Can.
cannon. Good job. Okay. My turn. I'm gonna put this baby in here. Well, no. Your turn, Rosin, chase.
No, not the baby.
No, the baby's done. It's your turn. Oh, that's a bad idea! And there you go, guys. Hope you liked our video for today. Don't forget to like
And subscribe to our channel.
Review Toys Review. See you soon.
Bye. Thanks for watching my video.